Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your iPad Pro has sufficient charge and is unlocked. This prevents interruptions. Next, find Preview via the dock, App Library, or Spotlight. Tap to open it. Once done, open the document or image from Files or Photos so Preview loads the content immediately. Make sure the file type is supported. Preview handles PDFs and many images. You're now positioned to inspect tools and gestures, which we'll use in the next steps to edit and annotate. You'll use Preview's markup toolbar to edit. Tap the pen or highlighter to draw, select the eraser to remove strokes, and choose the text or shape tools to add structured elements. Once done with a mark, pinch to zoom for precise placement or use 2 fingers to swipe between pages. This keeps your workflow fluid. Make sure to adjust stroke thickness and color before committing changes because it speeds up corrections. If you need a signature, add one once and reuse it across documents. You finish by tapping Done so Preview saves your edits. Then use Share to send the file via mail, AirDrop, or save back to Files. Once done, export a copy if you want to preserve the original or change formats like PDF to JPG. If something goes wrong, force close Preview and reopen the file, or restart your iPad to clear transient issues. Make sure iPad OS and Preview are up to date. Updates fix bugs and improve performance, which prevents recurrent problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.